This system is one of the best value gaming PCs we have designed and built, perfect for future-proof gaming, but it also happens to come in a very small package. This is all possible thanks to this new case from Deepcool, which has quickly developed a buzz in the space-optimized category. This CH160 Plus is one of my favorite PC cases at the moment. In my view, it's the perfect basis for a value-oriented mini PC. Now, value and small are often an oxymoron in the world of gaming hardware, but that's what I think we've managed today. For the CPU, I'm going with the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X. Now this is a low-cost, high-value CPU. This chip had a rough start, not comfortably beating out its predecessor, the 7600X, but some firmware updates, and with the price between the two chips narrowing, the picture has changed tremendously. But the biggest factor for this rig, which puts this chip ahead of the 7000 series equivalent, is its relatively lower power draw and excellent efficiency. Naturally, with micro form factor PCs, we need to manage our temperatures, which can exclude a bunch of CPU options because of their higher power draw. And the 9600X pulls just 65 watts, despite its class-leading single-threaded performance, so we'll get solid gaming in a cooler and quieter system. Now the motherboard for this rig is the B650M Aorus Elite. Rather luckily with this build, despite its small footprint, we can fit an MATX motherboard. Technically, the Deepcool CH160 Plus is 1 litre above the accepted small form factor limit of 20 litres. But thanks to this slight size increase, we can fit this larger board, thus avoid paying the ITX tax, and get away with this improved MOBO within the budget theme. Aesthetically, it's actually one of my favourites, with this great heatsink at the top, something usually only found on higher end models. And we get some rich features. Plenty of USB connections, 2 M.2 slots in case you want to increase the storage in the future, and Wi-Fi 6. With our motherboard complete, it's time to dive into the star of the show, the Deepcool CH160 Plus. Now usually pricing is an important factor with the chassis, but it wouldn't be the first thing I'd mention. But this case, with a price point of just 89 AUD, it seems a very appropriate point to be making before we examine the case more closely. Now there is a 16 litre variant of this case, but in sacrificing the size, we're then limited to an ITX motherboard. So with this slightly bigger version, we get all the benefits of a tiny PC with almost no issues with component compatibility. We can fit normal size power supplies, coolers, bigger GPUs, and as you saw before, MATX motherboards. But one of my favorite features that Deepcool has added is this handle. We've got a legit Lunchbox PC here now, which is sweet. The handle is solid as well. I gave this chassis a good shake and there's no problems. It's made of a tough plastic across the top, but softer underneath, so no stress if you've got those soft hands. Not like me, obviously.
Well, look at these hands. These are the hands of a working man.
There's no compromise on quality with this case. There's mesh all around, which is very fine to really boost airflow, plus a proper tempered glass side panel. Every piece of the CH160 is powder-coated steel that feels super solid, which honestly, having built-in micro cases many times before, isn't always the case. They can often feel a bit rickety, and this case has none of that. Plus, everything fits nice and flush. There's no panel gaps, with everything fitting securely. For the power supply, I'm going to be using the Deepcool 850 watt modular. Now we could have gone with a less juicy power supply, but I love that it's modular, and with the 850 watts, combined with the cooler you'll soon see, and the AM5 platform for the MOBO, this PC has plenty of upgradability. Sticking with our Deepcool theme, we've got the LM240. First of all, aesthetically, the liquid cooler is great, with a central LCD screen, but because it's liquid, something a bit rarer to fit in microsystems of this size, will maximize thermal and noise performance. Now it's time to unbox the gaming power behind this PC. The XFX RX 9060 XT 16GB. At its price point, this card is in my view the best value graphics card in the more budget space. It can handle basically anything the mainstream gamer will throw at it at 1080p and 1440p, doing all this while undercutting or outperforming the NVIDIA equivalents. With the 16GB of VRAM, there's a degree of future-proofing. Even as more VRAM is required for more intensive titles, this card will handle it, and this extra space means today you don't have to fine-tune every setting on your game to avoid running out of VRAM. It's a GPU that's easy to live with in that respect. Plus, the trade-offs for ray tracing and AI upscaling to an NVIDIA card are lessened with the new RDNA 4. The look of this specific card is pretty straightforward, but still nice in my eyes. Just an understated matte black color scheme with a compact dual slot cooler. But now we are completely finished. This is our compact value PC. This case actually is compatible with Deepcool's Pixel, so we've nabbed some decorative bits to add a unique finish. But the result here is pretty sweet. It's a dense machine taking up very little space on your desk whilst delivering great performance. Speaking of which, we've first got Arc Raiders here running at 1080p. We're at the max graphics preset Epic, and frame rates are pretty decent with an average 140 FPS. Now turning up the res to 1440p, still at Epic, and we got an average of 90. In terms of temperatures, the 9060 is running around 55 degrees throughout, and the 9600X is running really nicely in the mid-50s, pulling barely any power, all at a room temp of 23 degrees. Now in Firmark, I was able to get the 9060 to pull the full 182 watts, which you're not going to see in many games, but even then it's fine, with an average of just under 60 degrees. But that's pretty much it. I personally think this is a pretty solid combo for a small gaming PC today, and the Deepcool CH160 Plus might be the perfect case.